Hey guys, my name is Kelly Nord and I will be giving you a quick intro to Clearguide. Some of you may be wondering what this application is. If any of you are familiar with our old IPEMS system, this is essentially IPEMS 2.0. So this is different from our freeway PEMS system that we still are running with. Freeway PEMS holds all of our radar data and our loop data. Clearguide is where we have all of our probe traffic data. Probe traffic data is collected from vehicle navigation systems and cell phone applications. So individual vehicles are plotted along our roadway, and we have really good granularity for our higher volume routes. So if you go into Map, then RealTime Map, this will give you a good idea of the extent of our data that we have available. So it's statewide all the way down to the major collectors. So if you zoom into the map, you'll notice that as you get closer, the granularity increases and you can start to see some of these smaller roads pop up. These heavier volume roads are definitely going to be more accurate, but we are finding some fairly decent accuracy on some of these lower volume roads as well. Just keep in mind that it is a sample. It's good for speeds and it's good for travel times, but it's not going to give you volumes. So if you need volume data, you need to go to freeway PEMS, where we collect that from our radar and our loops. This data is provided by here, and we have a contract with them that allows us to use this for UDOT work and Utah MPO work. So any project that is contracted with UDOT or MPOs are allowed access to this. There's a lot of features that you'll be able to use in the map alone. Notice as I'm zooming, I'm actually scrolling on my mouse in and out. And if you click on the map, you can drag it and move, so you can navigate that way. A couple of things to note about the map is it's not just data for today. You can pull up a different day by clicking here on the calendar, and you can change the time as well by clicking here on the slider and adjusting the time. And you can play this animation, which will show you how traffic behaved for that specific period. And if you find something that you're particularly interested in, you can create a favorite of that video here. You can name it, make sure the date is the date that you want to be pulling the video from. The time range for the video to start and end, you can adjust those here. You can tag it to search for it later. You can add a description. Once you save it, it will show up as a favorite here, and it will look like this. When you click on it, it will take you to that location. So it zooms in the map and you can play it. And you also have the ability to download it this way. And that downloads right here. Or you can copy the link here and send that to somebody. If you copy the link and send it, they will need to have an account to Clearguide to be able to get in here and play it. A couple other features to be aware of in the map basics are the layer options. You can toggle or adjust the weather that is showing up here. You can also turn on the mile markers, and you can also toggle on and off the bottleneck algorithm. This identifies where traffic slows down and how far back that queue develops. That concludes the basics for our map introduction. Check out our other videos if you want to learn more.